What's up guys, it's Adrian and it's time. My SoundCloud promotion just ended today. So I'm gonna go into my computer and show you guys the results and let you guys know if it's something I will continue to use to promote my music in the future. So let me go on my computer and show you guys my results. So if you want to see how I set up my campaign in the last video, then you can click right here and go and watch that video. But this video is all about the results I've got from my SoundCloud promotion. So when I say SoundCloud promotion, I'm talking about using Repost by SoundCloud to promote your music. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So this is the song I promoted. It's called Inner Demons. And when I ran the promotion, I was at 7,100 and maybe 150 plays. However, I'm only at 7,254. So that means from spending $25 on this campaign, I only got maybe less than 100 streams. So off the top of my head, is it worth it? No, but let's look into this a little bit further. In Repost by SoundCloud, basically you have to go down to the promotion tab. And then in the promotion tab, you're gonna see promote on SoundCloud. Click promote on SoundCloud. You'll have to sign in. I'm already signed in. And it shows me the results from my last campaign. I had 2.3K impressions and only 63 interactions with the average interaction rate of 2.63, and I spent $25. Yeah, that's actually really terrible results for $25. $25 into Facebook ads could put me in front of thousands and also get me a lot more streams. $25 into a Spotify playlist can get me a lot more streams. Yeah, $25 into influencer marketing could get me a lot more plays as well, or $25 into a repost campaign where a channel reposts my music can get me tons more results than SoundCloud promotion, as well as $25 into repost exchange. That gets me way more results than this as well. So right off the bat, this is not something I would do again, but let's see what else we could find. SoundCloud promotion. So it doesn't give me too much data. This is my targeting that I targeted. But yeah, it doesn't give me too much data. Maybe because it's too soon, I'll have to check back another time, but I don't have any data on the genre, the age, the gender, the geographic, like where they're from. It doesn't really give me much. So would I do this again? I would not do this again, unless you guys want me to do it again. If you guys want me to keep testing this out to see if I can find the right method and on how to use SoundCloud promotions, I can, but that's only if you guys want me to do it again. If not, then I'm probably not gonna do it again. But yeah, that's pretty much the video. That's my result. Spent $25, got 63 interactions. I'm assuming that's only 63 plays, and yeah, since the day of starting the campaign to now, I only got 100 streams. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, stay tuned for my next video. Definitely go and check out one of the two videos over here that's gonna pop up, and drop me a comment and let me know if you've ever ran SoundCloud promotion and what kind of results did you get. Maybe you've done way better than me. If you want to give me some feedback in the comments, I'm more than happy to take feedback. I'm willing to try this again though, but so if any of you guys want me to try it again, let me know. Alright guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new to the channel. About 90% of you guys who watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel, and it helps me out a lot if you do. So subscribe to the channel and like this video so my content can reach more people.